Hello children, today we will learn how to make paper craft honeybee. So shall we start? Materials required. We need to cut 2 circles of yellow, white, black of 6 centimeters each, and we need a black marker and glue. We need to hold 2 white circles together and fold it into equal half and cut it in between. Now we need to assemble red and black alternatively. Now fix the wings. Now cut small triangle black paste and fix it at the end. Now cut 2 yellow long strips and fix it on top. Now we will draw the eyes. Now we will cut a small red paper and fix it as a mouth. Tada! Your honeybee is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye.